Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. ඉතින් අද වීඩියෝ එකේ තියෙන්නේ මගේ බර්ත්ඩේ එක දවසේ මට හම්බෙච්ච දෙවනි සර්ප්‍රයිස් එක, going out for dinner. So until we went there to the hotel, I didn't know where we were going. So it was a very big surprise for me. ඉතින් අපේ අක්කි බබා තමයි මේ ඔක්කොම ලස්සනට ප්ලෑන් කරලා තිබ්බේ. එයා තාම 4 years and 6 months, but she knows the plan and surprise people so very well. So big shout out to my Akki girl. So when we came to Kolpiti, I had to close my eyes. ඒ නිසා මම දන්නේ මම මේ කොහෙද යන්නේ කියලා. මේ වෙනකොට මම ඇස් දෙක වහගෙන ඉන්නේ. Eating after we went to the entrance only, Malaka asked me to open my eyes. Then only I knew we have come to Cinnamon Lakeside, Colombo. So come and join with us and see how we celebrate my birthday dinner. අපේ අක්කි ගර්ල්ට ඒ වෙලාවේ චුට්ටක් සීතල වැඩි වුණා. I didn't have any jackets to put on her, so to make her a little bit cozy, I had to dress her extra dress, top of the dress she was wearing, and I put her some socks, and then I made her a little bit cozy. එයා එහෙම ගොඩාක් කෑවේ නෑ. I think she felt a little bit uncomfortable because it was too cold there. That's what happened, but we all had a good time at my birthday dinner. So here is Aki girl singing me happy birthday again for the second time. She has requested this. It's her plan to cut a cake. So thank you so much Revaya and Tati for organizing this beautiful dinner for me. I felt really special. So after dinner, we took some beautiful photos of 4 of us. Pictures ටිකක් අරගත්තට පස්සේ I wanted to go out and walk around the hotel because this place has a lot of childhood memories for me. So I wanted to go and check the poolside with Revaya. ඉතින් අපි පොඩි කාලේ ගොඩක් වෙලාවට එන තැනක් වුණා මේ හොටෙල් එක. because අපේ neighbor uncle කෙනෙක් මෙතන වැඩ කරා. So he used to take us on the weekends and we stay in the hotel some days. And also he used to bring us to the poolside. We always have a swim every weekend. So there's a lot of memories මේ area එක මට හොඳටම මතකයි. ඒව කිසිම දෙයක් වෙනස් වෙලා නැහැ. ඒ විදිහටම තියෙනවා. So it was really nice to take Revaya around the hotel and tell her about my childhood memories. ඉතින් මේ හොටෙල් එක තමයි මම යන්න ගොඩාක්ම ආස හොටෙල් එක. මොකද කිව්වොත් හරිම ලස්සන childhood memories වලින් පිරිච්ච තැනක් තමයි මේ. ඉතින් රෙවායයි මයි මේ වගේ චුට්ටක් හොටෙල් එකේ එළියේ ඇවිද ඉඳලා එයා අහන questions වලට මමත් ඉතින් answers දීදී චුට්ටක් අපි දෙන්න relax එකේ ඇවිද්දා. ඊට පස්සේ තමයි අපි ඇතුළට ගියේ. And then Aki wanted to run a little, so I let her run. Paone ඉතින් පොඩ්ඩක් දුවන්න දුන්නා, but I told her don't go near the pool area.